Step number 2,441 in my aviation adventure, now that I'm 60. I'm currently studying IFR. Oh yes, it's challenging. I'll take. Recommended to me by my flight instructor. It's going okay, and I've had lots of experience on flight sim. I think I have about 10,000 hours on Microsoft Flight Simulator. Some of it instrument, not officially all the way instrument, but messing around, so it's all familiar. I'm having a bit of trouble with ADF, Automatic Direction Finder, Non-Directional Beacons, NDB. Not so much just the numbers and the calculations. There's a hat trick. So you take the heading and you add or minus the ADF heading and you get the true track heading. So yeah, it's all kind of rolling together. But I've got my sling hat on, so I thought maybe that would help. Maybe if I put my aviation jacket on, that will help. All right, I got my aviation jacket on now, but I don't think it's helping. I'm gonna switch from ADF to VOR because I'm more familiar with that and see how it goes. Anyway, it's quite exciting. In 2 weeks, I have an IFR ground school study course for 5 days, all intensive. I'm going to be up at an airport about an hour from here. I'm going to camp in the caravan. It's going to be really exciting. We'll see how it goes, but hopefully I'll get this into my head. Part of it's just, I guess, being older. Brain fog, you know, I don't know. I forgot to do my exercises today. Maybe that'll help. I got my CASA approved glass cleaners. I got planning charts, terminal area charts, en route charts. I got this thing, which comes with all these cool stickers. It's the Aeronautical Information publication. So it's got cool stuff like that, like aeronautical information. It's got a really nice cover on the front. Let me get to it. See, nice pictures of airplanes. So you gotta put the sticker on the back there because they're all the same depending on what you get. There's my IFR. You see I'm doing VOR stuff. That's a lot more fun. I got my markers. I got this cool thing. I got an eraser for making. So this shows you all the different information for each airport around Australia. It's called the IRSA. IRSA stands for En Route Supplement Australia. You spend all this money on this thing and then it goes out of date 6 months later. There's the culprit, an empty coffee cup. No wonder I can't concentrate. So I understand the idea of the ADF and just the track and all that stuff. It makes sense. I'm just not tracking with it.